and current reigning and defending IBF heavyweight champion of the world, Triple D, Daniel Dynamite Dubois. It all goes down Saturday night here in London at the legendary Wembley Stadium. 96,000 fans. It sold out, an all-time record for the sport of boxing here at Wembley Stadium. Once again, the records, ladies and gentlemen, outstanding. The four best heavyweights in the world, two of them are standing right here, right now, and they are the biggest punchers in the heavyweight division. Daniel Dubois, 21 victories, 20 KOs. AJ Anthony Johnson.